decides to ignore her, but one of her fans starts to think outside the box for the first time in his worthless life. During lunch, Yamato feeds Mei a sandwich at the rooftop before showing her the hotel options for their time at the theme park. While they talk about it, Kag receives compliments from two random guys who can't believe that he actually punched Yamato. He then spots Megumi, who takes her outside to ask why she has been bullying Mei, but she claims to know nothing about it and says he has no right to judge after he tried to snatch her from Mei. After reminding her that he at least had the balls to own up to his feelings, he asks if she really likes Yamato, because she would have directly gone for him instead of playing chess with everyone he knows. He further asks why she pretends with all her so-called friends, but she snaps and claims she does it all to keep them happy. After saying that her modeling career would be a dumpster fire, she stops spending all her time being an attention-seeking maniac. He heads back inside.
If necessary, I'm fucking standing up. We're doing this. I want to fucking watch her.
Sami then tells her that it is actually for Mei, as she might finally get her e-card revoked, but Megumi immediately switches the topic to ask if they want to hang out and possibly meet a couple of celebrities. Aiko turns down the offer and tells her to take Asami, but she also refuses so they can figure out again for Mei and Megumi. That explains
Wait, this is thunder and lightning. Wait.
eventually lets her intrusive thoughts slip out, so Aiko tells her to stop thinking they will worship her.
I'll have a look in the fucking sky.
Little Miss
No.
suddenly breaks character, takes a trip down memory lane that reminds her how her having no dad and a deadbeat mom made her into the mess she so desperately tries to hide. At the karaoke place later on, she gets upset that her lover showed up, so Taku says he invited her, and she demands to know
Oh.
why she wasn't consulted first. He responds by getting up to leave with the rest of the crew, telling her that they only put up with her obvious lack of common sense.
Oh.
She has basically been a human wall that gave her everything they want. After they leave, she heads over to the studio for a photo shoot, but then Suki tells her that there was a lot of buzz online after the last magazine release. As she leaves to start
Yeah.
Yuki looks through the comments online and realizes that everyone has finally seen her true colors, so she storms out and keeps trying to call someone while on the train. Minutes later, Kai sees her walking into the grocery store and watches as she fills up a shopping basket with a nut chip.
Now I am.
She then thinks back to when she first started taking care of her looks and realizes that
The time is 11:30 p.m.
as she gets back to her place and smashes her phone in frustration, Maggie finishes packing up for her weekend with Yamato and realizes that her mom has been peeping the entire time. The next day, she ends up running late as usual and apologizes at the station, but he can barely think straight as he has never seen her get all dressed up before. She notices his weird reaction and tries to run back home, but he pulls her back so they can get to the train on time. Just a few minutes later, Yamato falls asleep while holding her hands, so she tries to act cute while knowing that his weight can crush her if he falls. When they finally get to the theme park, she tries to find a map, but he tells her not to worry about that and drags her to the first run. After hours of giving her back-to-back heart attacks, they get to a fountain. He asks if she had fun before seeing that her eyes have become waterfalls. He immediately apologizes and asks if she wants to leave, but she stops him and says she wants to enjoy every moment with him. He then decides to spend the rest of the day in the attractions she will live through before taking a break to get some food. The next morning, Nami shows up with her brother Daichi, who
Oh,
explains
Jesus.
that she would stop begging him to bring her. After she tells him to start heading back, he asks if she will really be okay.
Holy shit.
Not to worry.
Fine. I'll wait here for like
Maggie accuses
10 minutes. Jesus.
herself and says she won't let go of her for the rest of the day. As they go back into final attraction, she finds pride and grabs May again to stop her. Meanwhile, Momoko has just gotten to Megumi's place to check on her, but she refuses to open up and asks why she even bothered coming when she hates her like everyone else. While her mental breakdown reaches critical levels, May continues having the time of her life until nightfall. Yamato then carries Nagi back to the hotel room and tucks her into bed, while May gets shocked by how big the room is and takes in the view. After getting seated, he apologizes for not being able to give her the full experience because of Naji, but she tells him not to worry about it because she had never imagined going to a theme park with a hot boyfriend. Before she can go into more detail, he falls asleep, so she gets close for a good look and gets pulled in for a couple sessions. After he asks if they can just hold each other and decides to keep his magnum under control. The next morning, she wakes up in bed just as he finishes with the bath and says he might have meant her melons while she was asleep. Before shutting out, he grabs her for a hug before getting a call from the agency telling her that they are all searching for Megumi. After getting May back to the train station with Nami, Yamato runs turns to leave right before Yamato shows up and asks if she is still alive. He then goes to her door and tells her to open up, along with Momoko, where Megumi tells them both to leave her alone because they all don't really even care about her. She further says she wants to be alone because they will all eventually betray her, and that reminds Yamato of when May said something similar, so he calmly explains why living with that belief is good for her. After he reminds her that there are still people who actually care about her, Momoko apologizes for
I'm gonna have to learn something.
Megumi then tells her to stop pretending, but she continues apologizing.
Oh, I love it.
She can come out and share her feelings with them instead of staying locked up with her chicks. The next moment, Megumi goes over the edge and starts yelling about how nobody has ever made her the first choice. But then Momoko asks why she cares what they think and tells her to focus on getting better without putting on a show to be liked by everyone. Momoko reminds her that she has always treated her like a star even before she became confident in her looks. On hearing all this, Megumi's eyes start to soak up, so she finally opens the door to melt into Momoko's arms. As Yamato feels relieved to know
Holy crap, those people.